everyone. Today we will continue our chapter number 3, Personalizing Windows 10. So let's revise our previous practical. The first one is opening the setting app. So how you will open the setting app? So your first step is you have to click where? You have to click start button. Okay, you have to click start button. After clicking start button, the start menu will appear. From here, where you have to go? You have to click on setting. Okay, so after clicking start button, you have to click on setting. After then, this window will appear. Okay, from here you can click on any icon. If you want the settings related to system, you can click on system icon. Okay, after then devices. If you want setting related to devices, you can click on devices. Then network and internet, personalization, accounts, time and language, ease of access, privacy, update and security. So with the help of these icons, you can open any setting. For example, here we clicked on personalization icon. Okay. Here we clicked on personalization icon. So you can see here the personalization opens. Okay, the setting of personalization open, as you can see in your book, page number 22. Our next topic is changing the font size. If you have difficulty in seeing the text on your computer, you can increase the font size. Increasing the font size will also increase the size of icons and other items on your desktop. So you can change the font size of your icons and other items on desktop according to you. You can either increase the size of icons or either decrease the size of icons or other items on your desktop. So how you will increase or decrease the size? Okay, so these are what? These are different icons. So according to you can increase or decrease your size. So what are the steps of increasing or decreasing the size? First of all, what you have to do, you have to click on start button. Okay, after clicking start button, the start menu will appear, and after then from here you have to click settings. Okay, when you click on setting, the screen will appear. From here what you have to do, you have to click on system icon. When you click on system icon, after then from here you have to click on display, and after then you can see here change the size of text, apps and other items. Okay, from here if you want to decrease the size of your icons, you have to move it backward, and if you want to increase the size of icons, you have move it forward. Okay, suppose I am decreasing the size of icons. After then what you have to do, you have to scroll the screen down and click on apply. As you click on apply, you can see that the size of icons decreases, as you can see here. Okay, see, the size of your icons decreases. So in this way you can either increase or decrease the size of your icons. Our next topic is adjusting clear type setting. So clear type allows you to fine tune how the text on your computer looks, which helps to improve readability. So you can also change the clear type setting of your desktop. So you can change the clear type setting and improve the readability of your desktop. So what are the steps? The first one is what you have to do, you have to click on start button. Okay, you have to click on start button. After clicking on start button, the start menu will appear, and from here as usual you have to click on setting. After clicking on setting, as usual, what you have to click on? System. Okay, you have to click on system icons. After then, what you have to do? You have to click on display. Okay, and after clicking on display, you have to scroll the screen down, and you from here you have to click advanced display setting. After clicking on advanced display setting, you will get this screen, and you have to scroll this screen down, and from here you have to click clear type text. After clicking the clear type text, you will get this screen, and from here what you have to do? You have to click next. After clicking next, you have to again click next, and from here you can see you will get different symbols. If you want samples. If you want to get more samples, you have to click next. Okay, and from here you have to select any sample. Okay, according to your readability, you can select any sample from here, and after then you have to click next. Okay, so you will get different samples from here. You can choose any one from here and click next. Okay, after then what you have to do? At last, when you select the sample, at last from here you have to click finish. Okay, as you click on finish, your clear type setting will change. Customizing the start menu. So as you can see this, what is this? This is your desktop screen of Windows 10. Okay, this is what? This is your start button, and when we click on start button, we get what? We get start menu. So this is what? This is your start menu, as you can see. Okay, so one of the most important feature in Windows 10 is the start menu. So your start menu is one of the most important feature. You will use the start menu to open app, access commonly used folders, and a whole lot things. Because it is such a commonly used feature, you may want to customize the start menu to suit you needs. So बेटा आपका ये क्या है? ये आपका स्टार्ट मेन्यू है, जो आपको कब मिलेगा? जब आप स्टार्ट में क्लिक करोगे. ओके, सो ये क्या है? आपका स्टार्ट बटन. जैसे ही आप स्टार्ट बटन में क्लिक करते हो तो आपका स्टार्ट मेन्यू ओपन होता है. इसमें क्या होते हैं? आपके डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर अवेलेबल होते हैं और यहाँ से आप क्या कर सकते हो? उन्हें ओपन कर सकते हो, और जो भी आपने फाइल फोल्डर्स जो भी आपने क्रिएट किए हैं वो भी आप इजीली यहाँ से आप क्या कर सकते हो? एक्सेस कर सकते हो. तो आपको जो स्टार्ट मेन्यू है वो अपने अकॉर्डिंग भी क्या कर सकते हो? आप रीअरेंज कर सकते हो. एज यू कैन सी हेयर, the right side of the start menu, what are these rectangle shape icons? What are these are known as tiles. Okay, so you can see here the colorful tiles are of what? Green color, blue color, orange color. Okay, so these are different colorful tiles. So next topic is rearranging tiles. If you don't like the way your tiles are arranged on the start menu, you can rearrange them. To move a tile, simply click and drag it to desired location. So आप क्या कर सकते हो? इन टाइल्स की पोजीशन चेंज भी कर सकते हो अगर आपको ये टाइल्स पसंद नहीं आ रही. ओके, एज यू कैन सी देयर आर डिफरेंट साइज एंड शेप्स ऑफ टाइल्स. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो यहाँ जो आपकी टाइल्स की साइज और शेप्स हैं वो डिफरेंट है ना? कोई आपको छोटे साइज में शो हो रही है, कोई आपको बड़े साइज में शो हो रही है. तो आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग क्या कर सकते हो? इनकी साइज भी चेंज कर सकते हो और इनका ऑर्डर भी चेंज कर सकते हो. तो आपको कैसे टाइल को रीअरेंज करना है? सिंपली आपको जो टाइल्स को रीअरेंज करना है सपोज मुझे ये टाइल रीअरेंज करनी है, तो सिंपली आप क्या करोगे, इसे माउस से होल्ड करके रखोगे और जहां पे भी आपको ये रखना है आप वहां पे क्या कर दोगे, उसे रख दोगे, है ना। तो इस तरीके से आप क्या कर सकते हो, इसको रीअरेंज कर सकते हो। एक बार ये फिर से देखो, सपोज दिस ग्रीन टाइल, ये जो ग्रीन टाइल है ये मुझे रीअरेंज करनी है, ये मुझे म्यूजिक की प्लेस में रखनी है, तो मैं इसको माउस से होल्ड करूंगी और ड्रैग कर दूंगी म्यूजिक की प्लेस में, ओके। और इसके बाद यहाँ पे छोड़ दूंगी, है ना। तो इस तरीके से मैं क्या करूंगी, अपनी टाइल्स को रीअरेंज कर सकती हूँ।